You want us?
How much? Hello, sugar. Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful video. Guys, this vlogmas is easy. So this morning I'm taking you to Bodija. This is Bere. So I'm going to Bodija now. I'm buying some things at Bodija. You know, Bodija is the cheapest foodstuff market in Ibadan, and I have to leave home this early morning. I have exam, and I just want to make sure that I show you guys what I will do today. So I want to get to the market before I rush down to my exam to write my exam. So guys, welcome to today's vlogmas. I need your advice. When I go to this particular place, this spot at Bere that I'm to take this keke napep to Bodija, I saw some women just standing. They were not entering inside the keke napep. So when I go there, I enter and I asked the keke driver how much. This guy said 150. I sat down and I realized that every other women, they were just looking at me, staring at me like I never knew they were all agreeing to 100 naira. And me, I have where I'm going to. I'm late. Man, I just sit down and they went and they left to look for another keke napep. He could imagine. And this man got his own people that will pay for 150. Please, have I offend anybody? If such thing has happened, please, let's gist small about this our Naija life. Guys, this is Awolowo Way. That is the road from Bere to Bodija. It also has the state secretariat. This is the roundabout. Turning to your left is the state secretariat, and moving ahead, that is if you look at it. And we've done our Christmas decor in Ibadan. Omo Ibadan say so ni o so pa fun wa. So from the state secretariat, when you drive down, you have lot of companies by the right hand side, lot of them, and not too far from there you have the university teaching hospital. That is after the state secretariat and is by the left. That is the left hand side. You're going to approach there now. Then when we get there, we also move down to, now this place is also known as New Bodija. We have the old Bodija and the new Bodija. So this place is also known as New Bodija, and when you drive down, you get to the popular Bodija market, and when you move ahead, University of Ibadan. So I'm here at Bodija market. Hello, ladies. Lókè nílá oyin fẹ́ mú lókè dà. Hello. Mami ló ń jalè.
Bàbá ó ṣe Jésù ó ṣe oore ó ṣe lórí mi.
Guys, when I get to Bodija, the first thing I do is to buy my snack. There's a place they sell egg buns, sell pawpaw buns. I must always mark register. So before I buy load and my hands are full. So the first thing I will do is I'll buy my egg buns. I'm going there right now. Going down to where I used to buy my egg buns. I like it. Yeah. I hope they are fried this early morning because it's still very early morning. I hope they have this morning. So pop up lady. Okay. I want egg buns. One. Buns. Pop up 2. So let's see. I don't like to miss it. I like it. So guys, let's get into the market and start buying now. Say now, how much?
Now, 40,000. What combo?
Olóyin pẹlẹbẹ àbí rí olóyin?
Number 1.
40 wetin?
40 combo inside. 40 combo.
40 congos, not be 30.
40 combo. Now 40 combo inside.
How much last?
Now 46,000.
48.
This one are pure beans. Now pure one. No mixture.
Jọjọ nkọjá o.
Yeah.
How much for white? Hello, la poe.
70,000.
Half combi. 35.
Half million.
And I know this is half. Is that the last one?
35.
No, owo. Ọ̀dọ̀ wa ní kòkòrò ni. Ìbọn ló wà ní. Jálẹ̀ dẹ̀ ni wọ́n. Kò gba 60. Ṣé lẹ lọ jókòó? Ẹ fẹ́ ká jẹ ọmọ náà jẹ.
Number one, you can see.
Hello, ni
Drum 1-3.
Jálẹ̀ 1003. Ah, kò wá gba 1-2. Ele 1-4. Iṣẹ́ ilé 1-4. Ele wà lélẹ̀ Jálẹ̀.
Gaskiya mun fa Jálẹ̀. Number one.
Pẹlẹbẹ tó fún ẹ ò sọ ìjà tó tù. Kébélé pẹlẹbẹ ni. Hello ni.
1-3. Let me ask you. Nyeti me do good.
How much last? Now the last price be that. 1,002. Jai mo mari 50 naira. Hey, give me 1-2, I beg. Okay, wait. Mo ẹ jẹ́ kó fọ́ra. Ẹ jọ o. Guys, if you have followed me to this point in this video, I want to say very big thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.
Ra gbọ́n bẹ̀ bọ̀ yẹ́ ẹ̀ mú lé ẹ gbọ́.
Aṣọ 100 naira ló
kò dáa kò ní wà òkè ilẹ̀.
Okay, matter.
Kin da kai mutane wai mutum kamar wanda duk wanga hili.
Where the one is sweet?
Ka toka ka wuri mutum. Sweet.
The one is sweet.
100 naira bi 50 naira.
100 naira.
You want test am? Wait.
Okay. Hello, lọ́wọ́ ilé. Hello. 3 nǹkan.
Àǹtí mi láìlọ́nù kan máa.
Ọwọ́ kan ni mò ń bọ̀.
Tó o bá náà ní ọmọ làkejì rẹ náà.
Hello.
Ó yẹ mú 7,000.
Jalè.
Ó yẹ mú 5,500. Ẹsẹ̀ wọ́n bẹ̀ jalè. Ó ti bínú tó pẹ̀lú pátá rẹ̀ gígọ́. Ó ní gbá. Kọ́ ló gba chẹ́ńjú.
Ṣé ní Nàìjíríà? Hello. 1 Hello, 1 Hello, with
1,000.
Hello, Kampala, madam. Jalema. Ordinary. Ìgbà náà 100. Kí lẹ sọ? Hello, bàbá. Hello ni. Kò wá gba 1. Kóńgò méjì náà mo fẹ́. Kí ni ò sí? Ṣé bóun ló pọ̀ nú ẹ̀yìn? Kóńgò méjì.
Tẹ́tà ní bàbá yín di láìlọ́ọ̀mù tẹ̀lé mi ní ìwọ̀n. Àbísẹ́mi tí ìwọ̀n náà ní ètò di láìlọ́ọ̀mù.
Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n lẹ́ẹ̀dì láìlọ́ọ̀mù.
Ti ẹ̀dá. Fún ọgbàṣẹ́ ló pọ̀ mọ̀ṣẹ́ tí mo gbà.
Báwo lẹ ṣe lè pẹ́ ìpàṣẹ ìdókòwò yìí?
Àwọn ọmọ tó mú láìlọ́ọ̀mù tí wọ́n ya lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ẹ̀.
Nàìjíríà mà ní.
Ó lè jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti jókòó lápò rẹ̀. Èyí tó bá ti pọ́n mo láìkélé. Just give me 1. You sell me. One is enough. Guys, I'm done buying. The load is heavy. So my load is very heavy. So thank you so much for coming with me to the market. See you in my next video. Bye.